This is the Iowa Weather Report for Sunday, June the 8th, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have a system moving through the Great Lakes that brought us the rain shower and embedded thunderstorm activity yesterday that dumped some decent amounts of rain in central and into southern Iowa. But that'll be off to our east, and we'll see plenty of sunshine today with a few afternoon clouds. Highs will be mainly in the lower to middle 70s across the area. Any rain will be off to our east, south, and off to our west. That rain off to our west is going to be approaching with the next system here very late tonight, and especially Monday and into Tuesday. You can see the low pressure center here Monday over Kansas. Could spread some showers and thunderstorms into the state Monday afternoon. This will last into Monday night and into Tuesday. It looks to be similar to what we just had yesterday with the low pressure moving just to our south. So we could see some rain, embedded thunder. Temperatures will be lower into the lower 70s. Could see some upper 60s if we get a lot of rain over a long period of time. And even Wednesday, this low pressure center could still be nearby that could bring the eastern counties some rain while the western counties begin to clear. Still seeing readings in the 70s. You can still see even a little bit of precipitation around here on Thursday, and this will be with a system that's going to kick a lot of this precipitation out of here. You can kind of see it from Minnesota down into Oklahoma, and that'll be moving to the east. Friday looks to be picture perfect. Highs in the 70s to lower 80s. Warmest over the west to coolest over the east. Any rain activity will be in the Great Lakes down into the Ohio and Tennessee River valleys and off to our west with the next system that'll be coming in just in time for the weekend on Saturday with a low pressure center near Fargo, North Dakota. Cold front hanging down into Nebraska could bring us showers and thunderstorms Saturday night and possibly into Sunday. Next Sunday, where you see here, you can see pretty much a zonal flow, so these systems will be progressively moving through. Ridge over the southwest and over Texas. That'll keep these systems progressively moving through. You can see by Sunday, next Sunday evening, you can see the front will be moving out of the state with clearing skies heading into the following week. Going into the extended period on June the 19th, we have a ridge over the south and west, a bit of a trough and weakness over the Ohio River Valley and the southeast and mid-Atlantic states. And with that, we could see a little bit of activity across the southeast, possibly a tropical disturbance moving into Florida, system moving across the northern tier of the country, producing some showers and storms in the Dakotas and Minnesota. Looks to be near seasonal readings around here. And even at the end of the forecast on June the 23rd, and we have a ridge over New Mexico, Texas, into the central plain states. A bit of a trough over the east, and you can see the rain shower activity. More organized type activity across the eastern about third of the country, including maybe far eastern Iowa. Readings look to be near seasonal levels in the 80s. Speaking of the satellite image from last evening, this looks somewhat seasonal with some MCSs, one over the southeast, one over Oklahoma and Texas. Fairly clear elsewhere as the storm from yesterday was moving east. You can see the Watch 20 map from last evening. Several severe thunderstorm and tornado watches from New Mexico through Texas into Oklahoma. Lots of flash flood watches across Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri, and Arkansas. And some heat across the southwest. And with those flash flood watches, a lot of rain could fall. This is precipitation through Thursday evening at 7 o'clock, where rainfall amounts down there could exceed 4 to 5 inches. Around here, we could see anywhere from a couple of tenths to maybe up to an inch.